Let's take a look at Australia's very best wireless reversing camera, and it comes from my mates at Oricom.
Say goodbye to arguments, screaming and ridiculous hand signals when trying to back up that big caravan or even your ute with the canopy on it. The team at Oricom have just gone and done it with their brand spanking new wireless solar-powered reversing camera. This thing is an absolute no-brainer. No more running wires through the dash and back to the tow bar. It's completely wire-free. Just whack it on the back of your van or trailer with its included number plate mount and she's ready to go. The sun keeps the camera battery topped up, so it's always charged and ready for adventure. That screen is the star of the show. You get a big, crystal clear 5-inch screen for your windscreen, giving you a full 1080p HD feed that is flicker-free. It's got a wide 110-degree view and even comes with night vision for when the sun goes down. Best of all, you don't need to be in reverse to activate it, making it perfect for keeping an eye on traffic behind you as well. No wires, no worries. Easy as. Grab yours and say g'day to stress-free reversing.
Head to oricom.com.au.